BTS News senior reporter Munir Mirza, Pune, Maharashtra.
मी मुनीर मिर्झा BTS चॅनलसाठी कव्हरेज करतोय. I just come to the office of Assistant Commissioner of Police, Mr. Ravinder Rasal. I just speak to him the new timing what they have given 10 to 2. It's become very chaos. People are not wanted, they are on the roads and all. It has become very difficult for everyone. Suddenly there is a solid news coming in from all the hospitals that corona is just running away and people are not trying to understand how to deal with it. Just over to. Yes, sir.
Regarding your question, I would like to say that the orders have been issued by Honorable CP Sir and Joint CP Sir regarding the timings of buying goods and milk and vegetables. They have taken a review of the city and the requirements of every common citizen of Pune. So accordingly they have fixed this timing. And I think at least this will continue till 3rd of May. And if it continues, the lockdown continues even after 3rd of May, then there might be some changes after taking some review of the present situation. Because we cannot differentiate between communities. This decision has been taken from the point of view of total city. So when you consider the city as one unit, request every citizen of Pune city to maintain safe distance, social distancing. Please use all necessary gears like mask, sanitizers to keep yourself protected. So please follow the rules and let all Muslim brothers and sisters keep themselves safe in this holy month of Ramzan. Thank you.
So today the Cantonment Board President has sent a notice to our cantonment area. So how are you going to implement that?
Yeah, I have gone through the letter given to Honorable CP Sir by Chairman of Pune Cantonment Board. He has requested to seal, I don't know whether it is actually seal or something else, but I have seen the letter. He has requested Honorable CP Sir to make some restrictions in some specified areas like Modi Khana, Bhimpura and some area behind Babajan Dargah. So Honorable CP Sir and Joint CP Sir will take a review of the situation and the request made by Honorable Chairman of the Pune Cantonment Board, and accordingly they will issue orders which all citizens of this area will have to follow for their own security.
So there is little chaos. In the morning from 10 to 2 o'clock, people they come on the scooter and want to buy vegetables and all. Suddenly in Naka Bandi can this make them go and take this later, leave your bike here until 6 p.m. There are senior people also on the scooter with their wife. So it is a request. Just relax that, no, sir. Later jo gaadi roko take it.
These restrictions have been imposed on citizens of Pune for their own security. We again request on behalf of the administration and Pune police that please do not come out of your home for unless and until you have a genuine and a very urgent reason. So